You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Munani, and today I'm taking you through a simple but powerful C++ program, right? Where you are going to create your own program or code, which will take two numbers from you, the user, compare them whether they are greater, less, or equal, right? So that you see how simple C++ is. Is that right? So first, we open our software, we prepare it for our code. So you go to file, new, then you create your new project, right? Your own personal project. So because we select console application because we are consoling, right? So let me say the file name, right, is try, right? You press OK to come interface like this, how you want to save it, right? So you can create a new folder here. You come here, new folder, you can say try, you save it, you open it, then you save your file inside. Is that okay? So when you open it fresh, this is what you see. So but because you don't want this one, you just clear it. You clear everything, include IOStream. You need it, so you can leave it. If you want, you can clear it. When you are putting your program, you can add it, right? So include IOStream. Then the second line using namespace, right, std. This prevents you from typing long strings, you understand, when to minimize your code. Then you come to the where your code actually start from, right? This what you just did is preparation for your code. So you are now coming to place in your code. So you can say int main, right? Don't forget parentheses, you understand? So int is a variable you are coming to assign, you understand, to a number which you don't know, you understand, to any number, any whole number you don't know. So you can say int for integer. Let's use x for int, right? Then int y, you understand? So this will store the input variable from the user, you understand? So our next line, you can say cout. This allow you to type in your commands. So enter first number or enter x, right? Parenthesis. Then cin is what? X, right? Then we come cout again. Enter y, right? Parenthesis. Then cin y. Okay. Now watch here. If you see here, you see that there's no parenthesis there. So we need to add it. One of the reasons why I love C++, it lets you see your mistakes, then you correct them by yourself, you understand? So now you are coming to give the formula or the condition, right? So that our code, upon how we are building it, it will execute what we want. So here we are coming to use if statement. So if statement, it will compare, then it will give if the two integers meet the condition, then it will display, right? So we are coming to say if, open the bracket, x is greater than y, right? If x is greater than y, see out, x is what? Greater, right? Now we come to our second line. Else if what? X is less than y, see out, y is what? Greater. Hope you are following. Then you come here, else. Here you are saying that else means that if the input does not meet these two conditions, it should display this. You understand? So else, see out, x and y are equal. Is that okay? Hope you are following. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now we are done with our conditions. Return. Return 0 means that you are done with your program. You've ended everything. Everything is done. So now let's check if what we've typed is correct. Understand? So you've done everything, you think you are right. C++ will tell you if you are right or wrong. Is that okay? So now let's compile and run. Right? So main is in the try folder, so we'll not create different folder again, just keep it there. Now let's see if our code is correct. Alright, so if it's correct, this is what you see. So you input two numbers. So let's say x is 99, y is 55. Now let's see. We can see that x is greater than 9. X is greater, right? X is greater. Good. Let's try again. Let's run it again. Now let's put two numbers, 67. Let's see. X and y are equal. You can see x and y are equal. Very simple, right? Tell me what you want next in the comment section.